Hey Albert, track fans!
Let's get round here, a little bit of kick out there. We've got to take it strong on the back, get round through tunnel cam. We've had a crash, we derailed it on Gambon. Gamb having Scalextric out, getting some slot car racing going on. I've derailed, crashed it over there now. Third time I've crashed on this course. Got in your view there, guys. Just trying to get through tunnel. Yes, we've spilt it over the barrel, my gold. Into Surge Alley, round, kick out there, nice Gambon, straight round that R4 there. Gambon, no, he's took the bridge out. He's took the bridge out.
Hey Albert, hey Wilf, hey track fans, how are you all doing? Welcome back. Episode 104, and we are on the track attack again from the 27 circuits 1989 manual. What we've done this time though is a bit of a hybrid, because if you take a look at these two tracks, I mean, they look pretty similar to me. So what we did was we kind of merged them, and we've got this, and we're going to race it in a minute. But we've got a new car, everyone. We've got a new car. We've got a McLaren. So Albert, Wilfred, track fans, here we are, guys. We are just on the outskirts of the pit lane. Here at the pit lane, the guys are there. They're ready to collect this car, jack it up, so we can have a little listen to how this kitten purrs. But the detail in this car is something else. Absolutely exceptional car, this one. Albert, Wilf, can you see this detail? I'm really enjoying what these guys have done here when designing the decals, the livery for the McLaren F1 GTR, which was a 24-hour Le Mans series, and absolutely phenomenal. Really, really good detail. So, who wants to hear what it sounds like? Should we get it on the track? Should we get it down here? Let's do this. Here we go. There we go. Right, I'm going to switch screens now. Put this camera on a tripod so I can rev everything out of this car. All right, here we go. Okay, track fans. So we are down on the pit lane here. We've got the McLaren is pulled in. We've jacked up the back so that we don't spin out. The track crew have done that for me. They're getting ready after our little pit test here to take the car for the race. So everyone was itching to find out what these cars sound like, a little bit more detail. Oh, hello. Hello. He can't wait any longer. He started to rev it up. So let's have a listen to what this McLaren sounds like. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's full belt. That's full kilt right there. Oh, you can see the engine moving. This thing is thirsty to get on the race. Oh, that sounds good. It sounds consistent, powerful, and it looks like it's going to give us a good time on the track fan. So, no further ado, let's get into the race. Come on. Well, come on then. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, Albert, Wilf and track fans, we are on track side now, ready for the big race, and we've got the McLaren F1 GTR here looking amazing. Just seen it in the pit lane, seen a look around the car, had a listen to how that engine sounds when it's revving up hard. The Le Mans 24-hour series car here from McLaren F1 GTR. Let's drive straight up and into Chicago corner. and round down into the first drift circle, outer drift circle, back round the fast. Double R3 turns there. Now under Goodyear Bridge and past the former stars of the Track Fans Den shows. They are loving watching the drive now they're retired to the pits, to the car parks and the halls of fames that they are. We're driving nice. The McLaren's holding well. This F1 is absolutely a dream to drive. It reminds me very much so of a cross between the Mercedes AMG GT3s and the Lotus Evora, believe it or not, because the Lotus Evora is similar difference. When you take your finger off the accelerator, stops. However, I've stopped it on a lane change. Neil, if you're watching this, there's a lane change there. There you go. Right, we're back on the game. Sorry about that. That's what happens when I start doing live demos whilst trying to race the car. Handles really well. Let's see if we can get... Oh, I nearly got a drift there. I've got to watch it. Like a legend, I've put the drift circle on the furthest corner away. So I'm reluctant to do some drifts because it means I've got to run around there, sort it out. Instead, I've given you a good track overview of how this McLaren F1 GTR drives, and drive well it does. So a thumbs up for this car, Scalextric. Well done, guys. Anyway, I'll tell you what I'm looking forward to, and that is the winter sale at Gaydon. I've stopped it on the lane change again, legend. In Gaydon, I'll put a little sign up somewhere on the screen now. That will, or in a minute, because I'm just going to edit this one fast to get you the Scalextric video out on a Sunday, because everyone needs a little driving fix to soup us up for the week ahead. Although, if you want to look at some slot car action, I say slot car because it does generalise across things like Nimco, Carrara, Polycar, Scalextric, and Slot It. Oh, he's off! He's derailed, everyone! Boom! Get in there! He's back in the game. Yes, it goes across all of the types of slot cars that you can get. It's not prejudiced to just Scalextric, Albert. So when you're old enough, or if your dad's around, ask him to show you on Facebook the Scalextric Enthusiasts Club. If you search for a chap called Roger Barker, hello mate, you should find it with no problem at all. There you go. And he is up and does A1 slots up in Nottingham Newark way. So you should go and check that out if you're in that local area. Good friend of ours, Paul, and his kids. Hey mate, how you doing, Paul? You right, fella? They have been up there. He loves to run BTCC cars. He is a rally king. I don't know what I'm partial to. I do seem to like GTR. Oh, spin out, yes! Will we get off the track? No, we've got to go. He is revving up. He is revving it hard. Everyone, get in there. Go on, McLaren. Right, I'm on the wrong side of the track. Running everywhere here. Awesome, amazing stuff. Did you see that, Albert? The burnout. Anyway, yes, everyone go up to A1 slots if you're in the area. Fantastic slot car club. So check it out. There you go, Roger. I'll see you at... He will be at the winter sale in Gaydon in November. Can't wait to go there, track fans. Going to see you all there. It's going to be amazing. Lots of things to do. So head over. It's in Gaydon. It's in the Midlands. It's good for everyone. North, south, come down or up. We've got to spin out. We're going to burn out. Will he rescue it? No, he's done it again. But it was an amazing... Oh, I tell you what, while we're here. Well, oh no, I've knocked the camera and everything. Sorry about this, track fans. I don't even know if that camera's... All right. We'll see if we can get a drift while I'm round here, huh? Yeah, drift! We did it! We got it! And he's burnt out under the bridge. No way. No, it's all gone wrong. Right, he's off. Anyway, at least you know that it's not just you guys this happens to. It's track fans too. So, let's go for the last lap, track fans, because this has been an epic episode with the McLaren F1 GTR. Oh no, he sneaked past, sneaky for the final lap, and it's bringing it into pole. There you go. Well done. Cheers, Albert. Nice one, Wilfred. See you soon, track fans. All the best. Have a good week ahead.